In today's video, let me show you how you can type exponents on Google Docs. Hello everyone, welcome back to Solving Factory. Let's start this tutorial. To type exponents on Google Docs, head over to Google Docs and type the numbers you want to raise to an exponent. After that, select the number you want to raise an exponent, for example, 2. Next, go to the fifth option on the top left of the screen. Click on Format, then Text, and finally Superscript. Now the selected number will appear as an exponent. And there you have it. You have now successfully typed exponents on Google Docs. Solving Factory at your service. Kindly give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and leave a comment for your suggestions. We'll see you on the next video.